we explain it all. How do plants drink water?
Have you ever seen a plant drinking from a cup? No straw, no glass, no tiny plant mouth saying, "More water, please." So how does a plant drink? Tiny Explorer looked at a small green plant in the garden. The leaves were standing tall. The flower looked fresh, but there was no mouth anywhere. Tiny Explorer walked around the plant. He checked the top. He checked the side. He even looked under one leaf. He said. No mouth, no cup, no straw. This is suspicious. Then he noticed the soil. It was dark and damp. Tiny Explorer pointed down. The answer must be underground. He put on his tiny science helmet. Click. Then he pressed the shrink button. Whiz! Pop! Suddenly, Tiny Explorer was smaller than a grain of sand. Down he went into the soil. The underground world was dark, bumpy, and full of tiny tunnels. There were little stones, soft brown dirt, and shiny drops of water hiding between the soil crumbs. Tiny Explorer saw one water drop roll behind a pebble. "There you are," he whispered. Then something long and twisty moved beside him. Tiny Explorer jumped. "Who said that?" A friendly root smiled. "I did. I am Rudy. I help the plant drink." Tiny Explorer stared at Rudy. "But you do not have a mouth." Rudy laughed. "Roots do not need mouths. We drink from the soil." Just then, the little water drop tried to roll away. "Quick," said Rudy. "Watch this." Rudy stretched out tiny root hairs. They looked like soft little threads. The root hairs reached into the soil. Glug. The water drop disappeared into the root. Tiny Explorer gasped. "You caught it." "I soaked it up," said Rudy. Roots use tiny root hairs to soak up water from the soil. Tiny Explorer repeated it carefully. "Roots drink from the soil." "That is right," said Rudy. Then Tiny Explorer felt the water moving. "Where is it going now?" "Up," said Rudy. Tiny Explorer climbed onto a water drop. The water drop slipped from the root into the stem. Up, up, up it went. The stem was like a tall green elevator. Blue water drops traveled together in little tubes. Some went to the leaves. Some went to the flower. Some helped the whole plant stay fresh and strong. Tiny Explorer looked out from inside the stem. "So roots drink from the soil," he said, "and the stem carries the water up." "Exactly," said Rudy from below. Tiny Explorer reached a leaf and peeked outside. The plant looked happy in the sunshine. No mouth, no cup, no straw, but it was still drinking. Tiny Explorer grew back to normal size. Pop! He looked at the little plant again. Now it did not seem so quiet. Under the ground, the roots were busy. They were finding water. They were soaking it up. They were helping the whole plant grow. So next time you water a plant, remember, plants do not sip. Plants do not gulp. Plants root drink. Roots drink from the soil. The stem carries the water up. And the plant says thank you by growing.